In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my school subscriptions. Let's start right at your computer or mobile device. Open your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or anything else you like to use. In the search bar, type Skool and press Enter. You'll see a list of results. To keep things secure, look for the official Skool website. It should clearly reference the Skool platform and show familiar branding. Avoid any ads or lookalike pages that don't seem official. Click the correct link to go to Skool's homepage. Once you're there, head to the Sign In option. This is typically at the top right of the page. Log in using the same method you used when you created your account, whether that's your email and password or a connected sign-in option. Take a moment to ensure you're entering your details on a secure page before proceeding. After you're logged in, you'll land on your main Skool view. From here, go to your community area. You may see a communities section or a navigation item labeled Community. Click into the community that's tied to the subscription you want to check. If you're a member of multiple communities, choose the one you're managing today so the settings you open are specific to that space. Inside your community, look for the settings area. This is often represented by a gear icon or a settings label, typically in the sidebar or near your profile area. Click Settings to open the controls for your account and community preferences. In the Settings menu, find and select Billing. This is where Skool centralizes your subscription details. The Billing section usually shows your current plan, your renewal date, and the payment method on file, so you can quickly confirm your status at a glance. Next, click Manage Subscription. This opens the full subscription management page. Here, you can review your plan details, including what's included in your current tier, your next charge date, and any upcoming changes. You can also view your payment history to see past invoices and charges, which is helpful for bookkeeping or reimbursement. If you need to make changes, this is where options like updating your payment method, changing plans, or canceling your subscription are typically located. Read any on-screen prompts carefully so you understand what will happen next, especially if you're making a change that affects billing cycles. That's it. By opening your browser, choosing the official Skool site, logging in, heading to your community, and navigating through settings to billing, you can quickly manage everything from one place using the Manage Subscription button. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take control of your Skool subscriptions with confidence.